Hey guys, this is my Eastern Growler. Start at the bars. Got the Eastern wide 28 with 2-degree upsweep bars. ODI long neck grips in red. Eastern headset, full Chromoly frame with Chromoly dropouts. Eastern pivotal seat and seat post. Eastern Medusa 25 tooth driver. Eastern crank and Eastern plastic pedals. 9-tooth back sprocket, Eastern hub, red back rim, a red front rim, comes with brakes, but I just took them off. And here are the original hand grips. Right here. Didn't really like them because they were way too thick and they slip a lot. And yeah, got Eastern tire. It's 20 by 2.3 in the back. I think these are called Fuquay flyer or something, I don't know. But yeah, same thing on the front. So yeah, that's my Eastern Growler 2010. See ya.